How to extend Zoom meeting time limit. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can extend Zoom meeting time limit. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So here you can either open up the application or simply open up Zoom web and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, now if you scroll down on this home page, there you'll have an option to schedule. So tap on schedule. So once you land on schedule meeting page, here you can add various description to your meeting. You can add topic, you can add time and then the date also. And once done, if you navigate at the bottom, there is an option for duration. So here you can schedule meetings for up to 40 minutes each with your current basic plan. If you want to add more than 40 minutes, then you have to upgrade to Zoom Workplace Pro. So here tap on this drop down and from here you can select the duration, but for the basic workplace you have only 40 minutes of duration. If you want to add more, you have to upgrade your account to Zoom Workplace Pro. So once you upgrade it, you can add more time. So for now we can just select up to 40 minutes. So once you are done with that, now you can simply schedule your meeting and save your meeting. So that's the way to extend Zoom meeting time limit, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.